Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, May 7th, and you guys know what time it is. Let's get into the prices of these cryptocurrencies. We have not dropped below the $9,000 mark with Bitcoin. Currently, Bitcoin is up 2.6% at $9,260. Ethereum down 1.1% at $204.70. Dash also down 2.1% at $77.95. And Litecoin as well down 2.1% at $45.83. I believe gone are the days of Bitcoin below 9,000, but we will just have to wait and see what happens coming into the halving, which is just a few days away. Join us later today for the news. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later today.